Good Friday morning, everyone. This is the start of our day, which is day 5. And we're on April 17th. We're still in week 4, okay? So we are starting out. I put the whole day's assignments up here so you guys can take a good look. So we have our morning work packet that we're about to do with the math, RW and PW 120. Then we're going to do our chapter 19 pages, 425 and 426. It's going to be estimating. Then we're going to read chapter 3 in Little House in the Big Woods. And then we're starting a new unit, Oceans. It's one of my favorite, on pages 143 and 144. So you can gather all your materials for the day and anything else you might be adding to that, okay? So let's go ahead and look at your morning seat work packet, 31.5. The problems across the top are exactly what you've been doing. So we'll just do one together. How about let's do the last one. 974 minus 480. Okay, we'll do the last one together and then you guys can do the rest of them by yourself, okay? All right, 4 take away absolutely nothing will still be 4. 7 take away 8 is not 1. Why? Because there's more on the floor. So you go next door, you borrow from the hundreds. That makes 17. 8, 9. 8 take away 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So you should have gotten 494. So you do all the problems that come before that on your own, okay? Okay, take a look at how many blocks are in each set there. Okay, so first of all, we start, there's 3 place values, hundreds, tens, ones, until you get then to the thousands and millions and beyond. But in the base 10, there's only 3 place values. So count how many hundreds there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hundreds. How many tens? Do you see any rods? Do you see any rods there? No. Do we leave that blank? No. We want to put 0 tens and then count at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 709. Okay? Mrs. Bruner sold 230 jars, circle that, of strawberry jam and 158 jars of peach jam at the farmer's market. How many more jars of strawberry jam than peach jam? What happens when you see how many more than? You're comparing, right? Good, so that's subtraction. The greater number goes on top minus the smaller number, and we are subtracting. There's definitely more on the floor here, so let's go next door to the tens, and we have 10 minus 8. What do you guys say that is? 2? Very good. 2 minus 5, can we do that? No, 5 is greater than 2, so we have to go next door again. Just put that 1 in front of the 2, make it easier. 12 take away 5, 7, and 1 take away 1 is nothing. So that's the number you write down there on the line right in front of strawberry jam, okay? All right, we have to choose the correct word to complete each sentence. I used a to get a discount or to get something for cheaper at the grocery store. I used a ticket or a coupon. Some people say coupon. Yeah, circle coupon, sorry, and write that on the line when you get a chance. You would use a coupon. That was like a discount. We bought hamburgers to cook at the barbecue or the circus. More than likely, you would cook them at the barbecue, right? So circle barbecue when you get a chance. Go ahead and write that on the line, okay? You might need to pause me or just come back later. All right, so the sentence read says, I just scooped up an old bluebird's nest. I don't know if the bluebird was old or the nest was old. It makes it sound like the bluebird was old, but probably should be. I just scooped up a bluebird's old nest. Whatever it is, our words are rooftop, on, nest, build, the, bluebird, my, did. Well, obviously did goes first because it's the capital, so put a number 1. Did what? Did nest build the bluebird my on no. Did a bluebird build the nest on my rooftop? That might be fine, but you know what my book says? It says the second one should be the. So did the. Number 2 is the. Did the what? Bluebird, number 3. Did the bluebird. Now we need a verb. Build, number 4. Build what? Remember, that's one of those funny adjectives that describes the noun, which is next, nest. Nest. Where? On my rooftop? Question mark. Did the bluebird build, number 4, 5, nest, 6, on, 7, my 8, rooftop, 9, question mark. Circle the question mark maybe to help you remember that, okay? So you can go back and finish that page on your own. And let's take, I'll just make a little check, and let's take a look at your math RW and PW 120, okay? Let me give myself some more space. This is the estimating. If you want to do it by yourself, please go ahead and feel free to do that. Oh no, it's not the estimating. I'm jumping ahead of myself. These are the story problems, okay, involving money. So let's just go ahead and go to number 1, all right? It says, Myra has $3 bills, 2 dimes, and 2 nickels. She spends $1.60. First of all, we have to figure out $3, 2 dimes, 2 nickels. So go ahead, make your dollar sign. $3 we know. 2 dimes, 10, 20, 2 nickels, 25, 30. 10, 20, 25, 30. She's got $3.30 and she's spending, so she is subtracting 160, okay? And that's what you write. Yours is actually over here. And then it says now Myra blah, 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 has blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that's going to be your answer. We'll do these together, and then I'll help you with the next page, but have you solve them on your own, okay? So, 0 take away 0, that's kind of obviously a 0. 3 take away 6, 6 is greater, more on the floor, we go next door. Now we have 13, okay? That'd be 8, I do believe. Yeah. Drop your decimal point. 2 minus 1 is 1. Don't forget your dollar sign. And now Myra maybe has $1.80. Okay? Catch me if I make a mistake on my subtraction. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, I did. That is not true. How many of you caught me? Raise your hand, don't yell. 25 of you? Wow. Okay, that should be a 7, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $1.70. Even teachers make mistakes. Lots of them. Okay, number 2. Kevin has $3.87 and his brother gives him more money. So we know that he has $3.87. He's going to be given some more money, 5 nickels. So we're counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's just put the decimal point 25. Okay, and now he has blah, blah, blah. Okay, 7 plus 5. Remember, we're adding, not subtracting. We have to make our brains go back and forth. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 2, 8, whoops. There I go again, you guys. You know what? what, it's really early morning. But that's no excuse. I just got through telling you we're adding. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, that would have been a 2 anyway. Carry the 1. 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. $4.12. Okay, boy, keep an eye on me, man. I'm just messing up here. Okay, let's go to the second page where I'm actually going to have you guys solving the problems, but we shall come up with the problems together, okay? Only fair. Alrighty, forget about number 1. Let's go to number 2. It says, Jana has $5.37 and her sister gives her more money. So, first of all, get your $5.37 in that box right across. Gives, she's going to get more money. What are 3/4? 25, 50, 75, right? So she gets 75 cents. Keep an eye on me. Remind me that we're adding, okay? So 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 again. Carry the 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That sounds very familiar. 5 plus 1 is 6. And so, whoops, I forgot. You were going to solve those yourself. Now, Jana has $6.12. Whoops. Alrighty. Number 3. Brett has $2 bills, 1/4 and 2 dimes. Okay, so let's get that. He's got $2 bills, 1/4, which is 25, 2 dimes, which are 10. So you go down the chart, 25, 35, 45, right? 245. Write that in that box. $2 bills, 1/4, 25, 35, 45. He borrows, so he has more money coming to him. He borrows 55 cents. Okay, and now you remember. So go ahead, I think I'll stick with you, so go ahead and add that, pause me, add that up and let's see what you got, okay? I'll see you in a jiff. All right, you're back. 5 plus 5, did you say that was 10 and you carry the 1? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Very good. 2, 3. Did you get $3 even? Good. Now he has $3. Good. All right, number 4. Darla has $4 and 3 dimes. Okay, well, let's give Darla her $4, 10, 20, 30, 3 dimes. She spends, so take away $1.20. Go ahead and solve that one and then come back, okay? Not $1.20, $1.12. What am I doing? $1.12. Oop, I hope you didn't go away before we fix that. Where did I see 20? I have no idea. She spends $1.12. All right, did you notice there's more on the floor? You go next door, get 10 more. 10 take away 2 is 8. 2 take away 1 is 1. You drop your decimal point. 4 take away 1 is 3. How much money does she have left? $3. I'm not trusting myself. And 18 cents. I'm checking. Okay, let's go to number 5. It says Tara buys an apple and a peach. She gives the clerk $2 bills. How much change does she get? Well, this is 2 parts. So an apple and a peach. So you're adding, let's just do it this way. You're adding 50 cents plus 65 cents. They might get mad at us, but hey, I'm the boss. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So put your decimal point, because it's really $1.15. So she spends $1.15, but she gives the clerk $2. So your second problem is she gives the clerk $2, take away the $1.15 that she spent to find out how much change she gets. We're going to be crossing over here, right? 0 take away 5, we just can't do it. So remember what I showed you guys before? We're going to borrow from the 20 and make that a 19. Okay, we're going to borrow from the 20. 1 less than 20 is 19. And now we have what we need, right? Okay, 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 1 is 8, decimal point. She gets 85 cents back. Now let me show you probably the way you will learn to do this come 3rd grade. So let's do it this way. 0, nothing to borrow, I go next door. I borrow from the hundreds and loan it to the tens. Now the tens are going to loan to the ones, so I cross out what they've got and give it here. Do you see you have the same numbers? You still have the same numbers. It's just 2 different ways of doing that, okay? Here I borrowed from the whole 20. Here I just borrowed from the hundreds, from the 2, brought it to the tens, and then re-borrowed for the ones, okay? So that's the end of that, and we will see you back here for some math, okay? I'll see you in a few minutes, all right?